Football. We miss football, but most of all, we miss being where the magic happens. Football may not have a place today, except in our old school. Coronavirus is impacting all aspects of society across the world, and the global sports industry is significantly affected. We have been reaching out to fans, asking them what they miss most about the game, and those true fans all shared same answers. We miss traveling to watch a live football game. The sport I played years ago for so many reasons. Soccer was and still is something that I love and have a deep passion for. You don't realize it at the time, but the memories you make on and off the field are the experiences you'll miss years down the road. It's been nearly 1 year and I still missing wearing my team shirt and entering the football yard with 10 of my closest friends. Definitely, playing soccer is my passion and what I mostly miss. Therefore, I wish we overcome coronavirus and beat it, so we can return to our fields and play soccer.